Hi there everyone. Today I'm gonna give you some winter driving tips. Now I'm in Canada and winter's here once again. I had about a foot of snow in my driveway yesterday, but most of it is gone today, the day after. Now I'm backing out of my driveway and I'm gonna go driving and give you any little tips along the way. So anyway, I cleared the snow off the car. The car is running. Well, I had the car running while cleaning the snow, so the car is a bit warm right now and it's time to go. The car's already on and this is not a push button start, so for me to engage reverse to back out of the driveway, I have to place my right foot on the brake, get rid of the parking brake, place the gear selected to reverse, and I've got a vehicle beside me, so obviously I cannot see properly. So the idea is to back up slowly and hope that no one is there. Keep checking constantly. Now I can see clearly, so now I have to do is turn to the right because I'm driving to the left and I'm out on the road. The car is straight, so I place the gear selected to drive, check around before I drive off, and it's safe. Then I straighten the wheel and away I go. Now the sun is bright in my face, so yeah, right turn at the stop sign here. I stop at the edge of the road because there's no crosswalk or white line. Look to the left and it's fine. So I go. When we get to the stop sign ahead, it's a right turn. I signal to the right, slow things down, check to my right, and move over to the right and stop before the white line with the right signal on. Check to the left, it's good. Accelerate, make my turn. Okay, I guess I'll take my sun visor down, and I'm making a left here at the stop sign. I stop before the white line. Check, left, right, it's safe. Accelerate and hand over hand steering. Now at the stop sign ahead, it's gonna be a right turn. No, sorry, left turn. So I signal left. Stop before the white line, but of course I can't see anything to the left, so I have to inch up and just keep checking left and right, left, right. After this car, it's safe. Now I go. The roads are wet and slippery, but you can drive at the full speed, and the speed here is 40 kilometers an hour. Most of the snow is gone. You can see a lot of snow to the side, but on the road, the roads are clear. Okay, pretty soon I'm gonna make a right turn, and then I'll try to parallel park if there's a spot. Check intersection, left, right. Now the next street down, it's gonna be a right turn. So I signal right, and the sun is really bright in my eyes. Check, turn in. And I'm gonna be doing parallel parking behind this vehicle right here. So I signal to the right, check the mirror and the shoulder, pull up about 2 feet out from this vehicle, stop back bumper to back bumper, right there. Place the gear selected to reverse, take a 3/4 revolution to the right, so it looks 12 and 6. Check around, then back up. And I keep coming onto the front of my car, is in line with the back of this car, but of course at an angle, like right there. Stop completely, get all the turns to the left. Just keep checking back, front, all the way in. Keep checking all around. Stop when the vehicle is absolutely straight, right there. Place the gear selector to drive. Now the wheels are turned all the way to the left, so I want to straighten it. So clock, then clock again. That means the wheels are straight. I just move up a little bit because I need to leave space to get out from behind this car. Apply the parking brake. Place the gear selector to park. And that would be parallel parking like a pro. Now this will end this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.